Imagine this. 1 year from now, you open your bank account and see twice the amount you have today. Sounds amazing, right? Well, in 2025, it's possible if you choose the right investments. Hi, I'm your friend, and today I'm sharing 5 investments that are safe, profitable, and perfect for beginners. And here's the best part. You don't need to be a financial expert or have thousands of dollars to start. Just a little smart planning, and you're on your way. Let's dive in. Number 1. Index funds and ETFs. They allow you to invest in the entire stock market like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. Over the past decade, they've delivered an average return of 8 to 10% per year, with relatively low risk. If you're in the US, VOA and QQQ are great choices. Europe also has excellent ETF platforms available. Number 2. Dividend stocks. These are companies that not only grow in value but also pay you regular passive income like a yearly bonus. Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble have been rewarding their investors with consistent dividends for decades. Number 3. Real estate crowdfunding. Imagine owning a share of a property for as little as $500 without the hassle of buying and managing it yourself. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul make this possible, and you can earn rental income along the way. Number 4. Gold. When the economy gets shaky, gold has always been a safe shelter. You can invest in physical gold or gold ETFs like GLD for a more hands-off approach. Number 5. High-yield savings accounts and bonds. A low-risk option that can still earn you 4 to 5% interest in 2025. In the US, Ali Bank and Marcus are solid choices. In Europe, Revolut and N26 offer competitive rates. So there you have it, my top 5 beginner-friendly investments for 2025. Now the question is, which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments, and if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button. Because in my next videos, I'll show you exactly how to multiply your money with these strategies.